Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to make a Robo soccer bot. Previously I've shown how to make a soccer bot using a FlySky transmitter without using a microcontroller. The link is given in the description. Now in this video, I will show how to make a soccer bot using a microcontroller. I will control the bot using the built-in Bluetooth feature of the ESP32 microcontroller board. I've shown everything step by step. So, please watch the video till the end. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get the notification of new videos. I will use 37GB gear motor of 500 RPM. Hex coupler. 65mm wheels of metal ring. (14 to 16 𝐀𝐬𝐥𝐚𝐦 wires). BTS7960 motor drivers. Buck converter module. ESP32 as microcontroller. I will use the inbuilt Bluetooth feature of ESP32. Then we need a soccer bot frame. I've bought this from Robo shop BD. The link is given in the description. This frame is divided into two parts: main body parts and slope. You can adjust it according to your needs. Let's assemble the motors with chassis. Attaching all the motors with the chassis. Now take some wires and connecting both left and right motors in parallel. Attaching hex couplers with motors. Checking the motors. Make sure both the motors running in the same direction. Take two BTS7960 motor drivers. First, short the enable pins of the motor driver together and connect it with VCC pin. Then I've divided the main power line into two parts. One for the buck converter and another for the motor driver. Connect one of the power lines with a buck converter in plus and in minus. Set the output of the buck converter at 5 volts. Now attach the motor driver, buck converter, and ESP32 in a PVC project board. I've connected 2 wires with the VIN and ground of ESP32 to provide power. Then connected a pair of wires with pin 19 and 21. And another pair of wires with pin 22 and 23. Attaching the ESP32 and PVC board. And connecting VIN of ESP32 with buck converter out plus and ground with buck converter out minus. In the right motor driver, connecting our PWM with pin 19 and LPWM with pin 21. Now in the left motor driver, connecting our PWM with pin 22 and LPWM with pin 23. Now connecting the ground of both motor drivers together. Also, the VCC of both motor drivers together. Then connecting the VCC of the motor driver with the buck converter out plus and ground with buck converter out minus. Now connecting battery power line with motor driver battery input. After finishing all the connections, warping the circuit with tap. You have to complete a task to unlock the code. Go to the description of the video and copy the link. Then open a browser and paste the link. Click the subscribe on YouTube button. Then subscribe and turn on the notification. Then again open the browser. The link is unlocked. Now you can access the code. Open Arduino IDE software. To install the ESP32 board, copy the board link from GitHub. Go to File, Preference. Paste the board link here. Then go to Tools, Board. Go to the Board Manager. Type ESP32, then install the board. It will take a few minutes to install. Then copy the main code from the GitHub. And paste into the Arduino IDE. Select board and port. Then upload the code. The code is uploaded. Now place the circuit in the chassis. Connect motor terminals with the motor driver. Now attaching wheels. Connecting battery to check. Let's install the controller app from GitHub. Open the controller app and pair your mobile with the ESP32 board. It's working properly. You can adjust the speed of the bot from the speed bar. You may face some problems. When you press the forward button, the motor runs backward. To solve this problem, just interchange the motor terminal with the motor driver. or you can solve this in the code. Now warping everything using tap. Finally, attaching the slope. So, now it's ready to play.